Good morning. Good morning. What's good, Justin? What's going on, man? What's good, Nomar? What's good, Rocky? Yo, Abner. Yo, Rudy. What's going on? Good morning, Jackie. Yo, Leo. What's good, Miguel? What's going on, man? Good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir. What's good, Angel? Yo, Edwin. Yo, Abdullah. What's going on, man? Yo, Miguel. What's going on, dog? Other Miguel. What's going on, dog? It's good, Kev. I see that hat. Yeah, bro. Back in that golfing mode, yo. Might just go golfing again tomorrow. Back in that. Feeling good, y'all. I've been stretching, so now my rotation is a lot nicer. You really get to whip the ball. There you go. Let's get this, Brad, man. What's good, Justin? What's going on, man? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, yo, yo. What's good, Noah? What's going on, dog? I need my beer like that, yo. Okay. My shit weak. What's going on, man? Good morning. Good morning. All right, what we got here, man? We got some US30 today. What's tomorrow? Thanksgiving. Pre-Thanksgiving markets. No live stream tomorrow, no trading tomorrow. Um, quite interesting of a pair here. So let's grab this, just drag it left. Okay, we see we used it there. Um, for my LTE students, yeah, remember what this area is. This is the safe area. This was actually supposed to be the risk area, which I guess pre-Thanksgiving markets just gave us great movement. So this was our trade yesterday. Nice little 1-2 play right here. Boom, close that out. Boom, close that out. Beautiful play yesterday. Price just kept pumping, bro. Now we're at this resistance here. So now we're kind of breaking, retesting, and hopefully we get a continuation here. So I'm kind of hoping for that continuation to the upside. So I will definitely be looking to take some longs, above this whole area here. So we got these highs coming around that 279. I'll probably be looking to take some around that 290. Nice and safe up there. Nice little 290 on a buy. Put that at 240. Put this at 390. All right. So it's kind of like the setup right here that I'm kind of aiming for today. Kind of like hoping for that continuation to the upside, man. I'm in this safe zone right here. My LTE students, y'all should know what I'm talking about. I did a Sunday class where I spoke about where trades are more dangerous and where they're a little safer. So we're kind of like in that safe zone. So definitely looking to put this buy stop around this area. What we got? We got 10-point spread, like about 12 points, more or less. So we're gonna go. Damn, that's a tough one. We'll do like 278. Like 278. All right. So by stop in place. So yeah, looking to take, this is pretty much the break, the retest of this gray zone here. And now once we break these recent highs, we should be continuing here. So definitely wanting to see price continue here. As we see here though, price tends to wick into this area where kind of like our entry slash TP1's at. So peep these highs here, peep this wick right here, peep this rejection right here, peep this right here. So it's a little risky area there. I'm not gonna lie, but I definitely want to see price at least come back up, kind of like to around this area right here. So this is kind of like what I would like to see. So notice how this area right here, we used it as support throughout here, support throughout here, support throughout here, resistance throughout here. Once we broke below it, look, retested it, rejected it, continued to the downside. Came up, rejected it, continued to the downside. Came up, rejected it. Once we broke above it, we retested it with that wick, then continued to the upside. So notice how I think you're too zoom in, bro. Wait, what's going on? Can you guys see? Yo. Y'all can see this? No? Kind? Maybe? Yes, no? Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, so notice how that area we used it as, support all throughout here, resistance all throughout here. So I am expecting price to hopefully reach around that same area now and then give us some type of reaction. But by the time we reach that area, we're already past the whole 1 to 2. By that time, we'll be damn near like 1 to 4 of them. So still got some space to go there. I know we have this little minor resistances coming in around this 350 area. So notice this 350 area as well. So notice how that 350 area here, we use it as a resistance throughout here. Follow it to the right, resistance throughout here as well. Follow it to the right, resistance throughout here as well. So price could kind of wick into that same area, which is around that 350, 360. But again, by then, we damn near up a 1 to 2. So regardless of the fact, both areas that price could have some type of reaction to, we should be already, more or less looking to get the hell out this trade by then. So not that bad of a zone. But yeah, man, expecting price to continue here on the upside. We have this area coming around like 280, 279. So I'm looking to take 290 on the buys here to continue to the upside. So let me just put here a TP1 just in case, just to have it lined up. 340. Boom. So pretty much the only setup I really got in mind today. Sells for me. Um, I could take some once we start breaking below, back again below this area here. I'll probably even take it below previous hourly lows. So this previous hourly candle lows around that 130 area. So we still got a long way to go till we get to themselves too. So honestly, I would be open to giving sales an opportunity. Why? Because price did do a massive push to the upside yesterday. So we could be bearish just to kind of retrace, create a new higher low, whatever, and then continue from there. So regardless of the fact, we could still capitalize on those. So I am gonna grab this whole area here. Notice how price support recently as well. That's the push that we're doing now. So definitely below that area, I will be interested in some sales. So I'll say 120. Yeah, around 120 area, I'll for sure be open to some sales around that area. For sure, right there. Boom. So sell scenario for me will look something like that. We are still far away from those sales, so we got a lot of time till then. But oh my god, no way. There we go. But yeah, pretty much both setups here lined up. And yeah, man. Hopefully today's a nice and easy day. Like yesterday. Yesterday was so lit. I wish every day was like yesterday. Yesterday was like what, 3 minutes probably, some shit like that. Wish every day was like that. Amen. So yeah, man. Let's see what we got going on here. What's going on? How you doing so far, bro? It's going good, bro. I've been working on some project for quite some time. Can't really say too much on here about it yet. My LTE students, you guys will get a sneak peek today, actually. Um, so yeah, bro, I really been like head deep into this project, doc. It's something I feel like that's going to help many traders worldwide. We could say it's not no prop firms, not no brokers, none of that goofy shit. This is something that actually will help people. Like legitimately, like this is not based on people, failing challenges and shit. This is actually good. So yeah, that's all I can say for now. But yeah, it's something that every trader will be able to use. Whether you trade options, forex, indices, futures, I don't give a crap what you trade. Whatever you trade, you know your screen. So pretty much just looking to take buys here as a continuation. Price broke above this resistance, broke above. We got, retest of the same resistance as a support now. So pretty much just looking for price to continue. Since yesterday, we've been pretty bullish. So pretty easy on the buys, I guess you could say. Now, I will be open to sells below all these lows. Again, since yesterday, look, this is yesterday. Look at that. It was just straight shooting yesterday. Like literally just, bro, once this shit started shooting up, probably like 700 points, just straight bullish. So I will be open to sells below that area again, just as a retracement, maybe down to these lows again, or potentially down to this support over here. So I'll be open to the sells below all these lows here. But for the most part, I'm leaning mainly towards the long side. Hopefully that's the side that we get here today. But yeah, I want to see price pretty much give us a continuation. So pretty easy setup, kind of piggybacking on yesterday's ish. That's why I tell you guys, like, I don't like a big cheat sheet, like a big cheat code that I've used throughout all these years is that I do not delete my charts every day. That is, I feel like one of the most harmful things traders could do to themselves because that's so much like data that you're just throwing away every day. That now come tomorrow, you don't have to look for that data anymore. Like, yeah, I could every day make the analysis and whatever. I could pretty much find the similar areas every day, but why waste my time doing that when I just leave them there? Like, it doesn't cost me anything to leave them there. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying have charts all clustered. Like, some people just have too much in their charts. Like, they'll have fucking 3 years worth of shit on there. Like, chill out, chill out, chill out. I think 2 months, 2 to 3 months is a fair time. Like, I usually do it once a quarter ish, or like every 2 months, because even 3 months low key sometimes gets a little hectic, depending on like how the markets were during those 3 months. Like if we had to find a lot of little small zones and shit, then yeah, it could get a little packed up quick. So I'll do like every 2 months. I think every 2 months is chilling. You could redo your charts from scratch. But at least for the next 2 months, okay, I don't have to sit here every day trying to figure out like, oh, where this next area is. Or, like, no, it's pretty much already all laid out. All you got to do is just wake up every day and just react to what price is doing at the zones that you already have marked up. Like this same chart, it's the same chart that I did on Sunday with my LT students. Like I literally have the recording in the Discord. No, this same chart, we did it from scratch on Sunday together. And I literally used it Monday, caught a banger, used it yesterday, caught a banger. And look, now today, just waiting on this set, and either setup here to kind of play out. But you see, like I don't have to. That's why I'm able to like come on here at 9:15. Market opens at 9:30. Gives up 15 minutes to just look for my goal every morning is just simply to look for my entries. But it's not for me to sit here and like analyze the market from scratch every day and try to figure out like no. Like I already have that shit done, you know? So my goal every day is simply just to wake up and see, okay, where do I want to enter this market today based on what price is showing me? That's literally my homework every morning. So that's why I'm able to do that. I hop on here at 9:15. Like we've been on Zoom already, like what, 13 minutes, 14 minutes now is 9:24. I mean 9:29. My bad, sorry. So it gives us more than 15 minutes is more than enough time for you to come on here and look for an entry, especially like if you already have most of the work done. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I tell people like that's a big cheat sheet, bro, because people fuck up a lot by every day trying to figure out what they need to do. And then on top of that, they try to do that during the session going on. So now you got all these things against you, like volume probably leaving you behind already. The good entries are probably already gone. Like you just all over the place. You know what I mean? By the time you enter, you're just entering off of just FOMO at that point. At that point, you're entering just off of simply, oh, price has been pushing up all this time. I might as well just keep riding it. Yeah, that's not how it goes. You pretty much just getting manipulated into entering at that point. You know what I mean? So it's little stuff like that like I try to avoid by simply just being prepared, bro. You know, that's why like I always tell people, you win the next day by preparing the day prior. So you ever heard that saying of like, oh, you win Mondays by preparing Sundays? Same shit. Every day, 7 p.m. I pull up here. I prepare for the next day, and when I come here in front of you guys today, I just pretty much just gotta just react to what I'm seeing. You know. So it does make life pretty easy. So I tell people, bro, trading is a lot of just being mature because it takes a mature person to do that, bro. An immature person won't do that. They'll look at it as like, oh, too much work, or oh no, I'm busy, or whatever, bro. It takes me 20 minutes, bro. I swear. Like dead ass, I come here from 7 to like 7:20, 20 minutes, analyze, okay, why did I win? Why I lost? Come tomorrow, if price does more or less this and that, I could probably react this way. Cool, cool, cool. Boom. That's it. Go about the rest of my day. And then come today, I just have to pretty much react. Makes life a lot easier, let me tell you. So that right there, if I give you guys a cheat code, that's a cheat code, to be honest. That is a mega, mega cheat code. Mm-hmm. I hate these candles, huh? I hate these candles and I don't at the same time. Because they're like so 50-50, bro. Because like yesterday, a candle like this with this much impulse is the one that put us in, and bro, just kept going our way to TV, chilling. But then there's days where those candles will like spike here, then backtrack all the way to here, to then backtrack again here. Then makes you lose a trade for no reason. See what I'm saying? But hey, man, whatever. Let's run it. What we got to do? What we doing here, man? Look at a 3 minute. On this guy, a minute. Okay. Let's see. We got 50 seconds in this 3 minute. Okay. If we get a entry activation here, next 3 minute. Mm. So we got about 25 seconds here. What you guys got planned for tomorrow? What y'all eating, man? Some turkey or what? You don't have many people that don't like turkey. They will not eat that. They'll eat something else. I'm like, that's interesting. I mean, I guess you're not forced to eat turkey on Thanksgiving. I get it. I get that part. Yo, fats, bro. I eat turkey. You know, turkey is actually pretty healthy for you, to be honest. That's the gym bro in me. The gym bro in me likes turkey for that reason. Other than that, I'm a chicken guy, bro. Give me some chicken, some white rice. Shit, I'm vibing, bro. You know what I mean? You gotta get a workout in the morning. Yo, fats. I'm actually I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but I want to do a another 72-hour fast next week. So probably, you know what? Today I'll do that. So today I'm gonna put together, if you guys down to be a part of it, just pay attention to my stories. I'll be talking about it. I'll probably do a little like group chat on Telegram or something, and we all hold ourselves accountable for 72 hours. We are going to start at the same time. I want to keep it small. So something like maybe like 10, 15 people at most. Um, and especially if you guys are local, even better. So what we'll do is, all right, I just got put into these buys. Let's see. Just got put into these buys, man. 47, 240. Um, but if you guys are local, even better, because what we'll do is we'll do the 72 hours together. And then at the end of the 72 hours, if you're local, we could all go eat somewhere and, I guess not break the fast because we're not breaking it, but I guess end the fast together. But we'll do it the right way this time. 'Cause I did it the wrong way last time and I felt it for the next 48 hours after that. So last 72 hours I did, you know, I'm a little airhead sometimes. And bro, I ended the fast by going to a restaurant called Cote, Cote. You guys can look it up. So pretty much that place, bro, they have every variation of meat, like steak, like everything. Japanese wagyu, but bro, you name it, like everything. Dog, when I tell you, I ordered at least, put it this way, that tab was like 1,000 something dollars. And it was just me and my boy, two people. And it was like 1,500 bucks. But put it this way, yo. We ordered damn near every single steak on that menu. Like I ordered with my eyes, bro. Like I thought that I was that hungry. And dog, when I tell you ice cream, I had like three fucking jars of ice cream, bro. I completely did it the wrong way. And bro, when I tell you I had the meanest stomach ache when I got home, and the next day and the day after that, bro, I was damn near throwing up, bro, after stomach ache. So we will do it the right way this time. I did my research this time. I probably will take a 1-to-1 today, to be honest. This week's been spectacular. So I'm taking my 1-to-1. You give it to me, shorty. You just break through here right now. Be all right. We're gonna do a manual close here. Let's see. See if I could time this past that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, come on. The one time I have it manually, if I had it probably put on, it probably would have hit already. Nah, I wouldn't. It's fucking spread. Um, but yeah, bro, I did my research this time around. So No. No, there you go. Fire. Okay, fire. All right. Out that motherfucker. Yep. 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 I take my 1-1 for sure, Papa. Yo, this week's been spectacular, bro. I got zero complaints with this week, bro. Absolutely zero. 1.3 Victory War on Monday, 1.3 Victory War yesterday. Nice 1-1 today. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and then Friday out and trade. And I caught a dub on GJ this morning, too. Right, I took GJ from 206, one. I had one entry at 150 and the other one at 180, all the way up to 206, 500, yo. So, but yeah, I did my research this time. So the way you're supposed to do it, you're supposed to have like something light at first. So like chicken broth or some shit. And then you introduce protein into your body slowly. So like you could have like, a little bit of chicken, but you're not supposed to do what I did, man. You're not supposed to have 3 jars of ice cream and 8 different steaks. I thought you did, but you don't. All right. Because what happened is I ate with my eyes, bro. I got there and I thought that I was so hungry, bro. By the time I got to like the second steak, I was already full. But halfway through the first one, I was already like, damn, I'm already this full. And the rest of the food, I ended up just I told workers that really, if you want it, shit, brand new, you take all this shit. I was gonna eat it, bro. That shit, it was too much. Then my stomach started hurting. Hell no, that's just a dub. But yeah, that's not how you do it the right way. So we'll spin the block on that. We'll do it right this time. So nice little 1-1 today. Nice and easy, quick, little pre-Thanksgiving gift. We could say this is the appetizer. This the pregame to Thanksgiving right here. It's the pregame to Thanksgiving right here. So yeah, fast is gonna start Monday. Monday is perfect because then by Tuesday to Wednesday. No, wait, well, Wednesday. I started Sunday the last one, so Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday. So Thursday will be done. We'll start Monday. Oh, and Thursday. So it'll be dope though, because doing it by myself was so ass, bro. But at least now with a group, we keep each other motivated to do it. So you know what I mean? So what do you eat during straight water? Just only water. None of that. I know you guys could probably read online people saying that like, oh, you could have a little bit of chicken broth. Nigga, I might as well eat the damn chicken if I'm gonna have the broth. What the fuck? No, the point is straight water. What you want to do is completely cleanse your system, like everything. So straight water. Um, so I love you all. Thank you guys for coming on here today. Yeah, that shit gonna give you the munchies, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I don't know about that one, Angel. That's tough. Um, so I love you all. Thank you guys for coming on here today. I'll see you guys later. Peace.